students, today we will learn some basic concept in trigonometry. First of all, trigonometry is related with a right angle triangle. We take one triangle ABC. Here B is a right angle triangle, that is the measure is 90 degree. We take this angle C as a theta. The side opposite to this angle theta is AB. We will call opposite side. And the side near to this angle theta is called adjacent side. Also, we know that the side opposite to 90 degree or right angle is a hypotenuse. The 6 trigonometric ratios are related with this concept. First, sin theta, sin trigonometric ratio for this angle theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Second, cos theta adjacent side upon hypotenuse. And third one is tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Sin, cos and tan, we write these three concepts or three ratios. After that, all three are very simple. Number 4, cosec theta. For this cosec theta, only take opposite of this ratio, that is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Next, sec theta, take opposite of this cos theta, hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And last one, 6, cot theta is equal to, take opposite of this tan theta, adjacent side upon opposite side. We learn about this 6 trigonometric ratio. The next concept is relationship between these 6 trigonometric ratios. Relationship between trigonometric ratios. For this, we take an right angle triangle ABC, C theta angle B 90 degree. We write the 6 trigonometric ratios for this triangle. Sin theta, we know that opposite side upon at hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. Next one is tan theta, and tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side, that is AB upon BC. Cosec theta is equal to, only take opposite of this, AC upon AB. Sec theta is equal to AC upon BC, opposite of cos, and cot theta is equal to BC upon AB. After that, I will take multiplication of these two trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to value of sin theta AB upon AC multiplied by cosec theta AC upon AB, AC cut, that is equal to 1. We get first formula, sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to 1. We make two formulas from this relation. Second, sin theta is equal to cosec theta, here multiply, here divide, 1 upon cosec theta. Third one is cosec theta is equal to, this sin is multiplied, here divide, 1 upon sin theta. Another, cos theta multiplied by sec theta is equal to BC upon AC multiplied by AC upon BC. BC cut, AC cut is equal to 1. And therefore, fourth formula is cos theta multiplied by sec theta is equal to 1. Again, number 5, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. We formulate 6 formulas. Again,